All right, good morning, FXC Academy. And as per your guys' request, I decided to turn on my live video while I'm actually live trading for you guys. It's currently 7:25 a.m. As you guys know, I trade from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. And this video is really going to highlight the importance of trading during your trading times and why it's important for you to set a time and stick to that time. So as you guys see right now, I'm in profit on gold right now. I'm actually about to close this profit. I'm up 175. I'm really just watching the 1 minute time frame right now to make sure, just to tell me if I should stay in this trade or not. Looking at this white candlestick right here, seeing a little bit of seller's pressure right now. I just really want to see what these candlesticks are telling me. Am I seeing rejection at the top? Is there a lot of rejection at the top to tell me, hey, maybe price doesn't want to go higher? Or is price going to reject the downwards, kind of like it is right now, for price to keep on going up? But long story short, what I guys want you to understand is the importance of picking a consistent time to trade. Long story short, right here we're about a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so I mean you really can't complain about that. I'm honestly going to close just because I'm recording, and it's like I don't want to miss out on profit and yada yada yada. So we're going to close the trade. We just closed about, I'll say like 170 for the day. And now I can kind of tell you guys about, I guess, what happened, you feel me? So, long story short, my trading plan is really simple. I wake up at 7 a.m. and it's either one or two things I could do, you know. So you guys see these sessions, right? I have a white, green, blue, white, green, blue. So these are all the different sessions. The white is from around like, it's around from like 9 p.m. to about 3 a.m. And then the green is 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. So if you know your sessions, you know that this is Tokyo session, you know that this is London session, and the blue is the cross of London session and New York session. And my strategy honestly lies in between the crosses of the two sessions. And mind you, like this is it's I have a few strategies, I'm not gonna lie. And maybe it could be good, maybe it can be bad, but with my time in the markets, sometimes I can just execute at different areas in the price. But long story short, do you see where price was at the green? This green right here is London session. So the London session highs were all the way up here. This was the highest point within the London session, and this was the lowest point of the London session. And when I see price open my session at the low of the London session, that's a good area for me to place a trade at. So in this case, it would have been a buy. I buy at the London session lows, and we take profit to the top. Mind you, that is on Wednesday. This is on Thursday. London session highs were up here. This is the highest point of the green box. And then when my session opens, we left off exiting the high of the London session. So that could have been a sell to the downside. You're selling at the high of the London session. Now, if you look at today, the low of the London session was down here. When price opened, I was looking at this around like 7 or around like 650. And at around 650, price was right here. Look, 650 on this blue candle here. Price was, it wasn't exactly at the low, but it was close enough at the low for me to be like, hey, I done seen this happen many times. I'm going to take it again. So I took my trade, placed my buy, hopped in the shower, came back, and it's looking like this. Long story short, this is like the routine. Like it's a routine you have to follow with trading, you know. Like this is why the strategy implementation is so important. Yes, we did not fully go over that yet. That's more towards level 3 of the course. But once we get there, this is just me showing you guys why it is important to follow a certain strategy. And you practice the strategy, you understand, you know, what it is you have to do to put yourself in the best positions to win. On another note, of course, you're all trading gold. And I just kind of like came to a realization that gold is bouncing in between some consolidation right now. So when you are trading gold, just remember the buy low and sell high rule. The consolidation is really these two zones right here. I mean, These two orange zones right here, that's the consolidation point. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, you can really tell it's consolidation just because of how tight price is. Like, all this is the consolidation. Everything from behind doesn't matter. I mean, I just kind of like extended it, but we could really say that the consolidation is price all right here. And you see that, right? Price opened low, came up, boom, came back down, respected, came up, respected. It's just consolidated, long story short. So when you are trading within this, remember the buy low, sell high. That's kind of what I did. I mean, I noticed we were lower. We opened at my London session low, or we're actually right here. I'm tripping. We were a little lower. I took the low and wrote it up. And then when price comes a little higher, I wouldn't be opposed to selling price and taking it down. Both of you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I was going to try to turn on some live video recordings for y'all while I'm trading. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, flock.